Hi, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Hannah, and along with the Sheet Leveler team, I'm here to make sure you can get the most out of Excel in a quick and easy way with these bite-sized tutorials. Today, we'll walk through how to use a shortcut for Paste Special in Excel. Once you know this trick, it'll be a lot easier to paste your data the way you want. To start, let's first select the data we want to copy. For this example, let's say we have sales totals in column G for all the quarters. Simply highlight that column, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the data. Now that we've copied the data, it's time to decide where we want to paste it. For this example, let's click on cell I3 to choose the spot where we'll paste the values. Here comes the magic. To open the Paste Special options, we'll use a quick keyboard shortcut. First, press and hold down the Alt key, and while holding it, press E followed by S. That's it. A window will pop up with all the Paste Special options. Now that we've got the Paste Special window open, we can pick exactly how we want to paste the copied data. In our case, we only want to paste the values and not the formulas or formatting. So we'll select Values and then click OK. And just like that, the data is pasted exactly how we wanted it. Just the values, no extra formatting or formulas. That's the power of Paste Special. And that's how you can easily use the Paste Special shortcut in Excel. If you're interested in learning more tips and tricks for working with data in Excel, be sure to check out our other video tutorials. You'll find the links to those in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.